Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome to MedCode Insight. Hi, I am Nishaba, a certified medical coder. In this video, we will cover some important topic related to musculoskeletal system. We will discuss wound exploration and codes related to excision. So without further ado, let's get started. The code range 20,100 to 20,103 is used to describe wound exploration procedure typically following penetrating trauma such as stab wounds, gunshots, or other similar injuries. These codes are applied based on the location of the wound the surgeon explores. Code 20,100 is used for the exploration of the penetrating wound in the neck, while code 20,101 is for the chest. Code 20,102 applies to the wound in the abdomen, flank, or back, and code 20103 is used for the extremity wounds. Code 20100 to 20103 relate to wounds resulting from penetrating trauma. Wound exploration code describe surgical exploration and enlargement of the wound, extension of dissection to determine penetration, debridement, removal of foreign bodies, ligation or coagulation of minor subcutaneous and or muscular blood vessels of subcutaneous tissue, muscle fascia and or muscles not requiring thoracotomy or laparotomy. Don't use wound exploration code 20100 to 20103 if the surgeon repair major structure or major blood vessels requiring thoracotomy or laparotomy. In such cases, those specific codes would supersede the use of code 20100 to 20103. To report simple, intermediate, or complex repair of wounds that do not require enlargement of the wound or extension of dissection, use the specific repair codes in the integumentary system. A 60-year-old man sustained a gunshot wound through the right medullary sinus penetrating through the right neck. CT scan revealed no hard evidence of artery injury, but bullet was directly in line with the internal jugular vein. He was sent to the operating room for the neck exploration to rule out vascular injury and injury to the aerodigestive tract. A sternocleidomastoid incision was performed and carried down through the platysma muscle. There was no penetration of the internal jugular vein, but a foreign body was identified resting on the internal jugular vein at approximately the level of the angle of the mandible and removed. The parotid gland was noted to have a blast injury near the tails. This was not surgically repaired or resected. Once all bleeding was controlled, a 10 French round drain was placed in the wound. The wound was irrigated, the platysma muscle was closed, and the skin was closed with subcuticular closure. First CPT code is reported. Option A with the code 20,102, Option B with the code 35,201, Option C with the code 20,100, Option D with the code 21,899. In the given scenario, we will first focus on some key points. The gunshot wound required neck exploration in the operating room, confirmed that there was no penetration of the internal jugular vein, and foreign material was removed. To find the correct code, we refer to the wound exploration guidelines listed that the surgical exploration and enlargement of the wound, extension of dissection, debridement, removal of foreign body, ligation or coagulation of minor subcutaneous and or muscular blood vessel, and the exploration of subcutaneous tissue muscles, fascia, and or muscles without requiring thoracotomy or laparotomy. They are covered under the Wound Exploration Code 20,100 to 20,103. Based on this guideline, we will eliminate option B, which uses code 35,201, which is used for the repair of blood vessels, as there is no evidence of artery injury to the neck. We will also eliminate option D, which uses code 21,899, which is used for the unlisted procedure for the neck or thorax, as there is no surgical repair or resection was performed. Wound exploration codes are based on location. We will also eliminate option A with the code 20102, which is used for the exploration of penetrating wound of abdomen, flank, or back. Our correct option is option C with the code 20100, which is used for the exploration of penetrating wound of the neck. A 20-year-old male present to the trauma unit after sustaining a gunshot wound to the chest. CT scan revealed intra-abdominal injuries, which necessitated an exploratory laparotomy to determine the extent of the injuries. It was determined that the projectiles injured the spleen and splenectomy was carried out. Which of the following best describe the encounter? Option A with the code 20101, option B with the code 20102, option C with the code 38100, 49,000 along with modifier 59, option D with the code 38100, 49,000 along with modifier 59, and 20,101 along with modifier 59. We will solve the scenario based on important keywords like gunshot wound revealed intra-abdominal injuries necessitating an exploratory laparotomy, injuries to spleen, and subsequent splenectomy. Wound exploration code describe the surgical exploration and enlargement of the wound but do not require atherectomy or laparotomy. If a repair is done to the major structure or major blood vessels that require thoracotomy or laparotomy, then the specific codes for those procedures would supersede the use of code range 20,100 to 20,103. In this scenario, we will not code from the wound exploration code range because for thoracotomy or laparotomy, more specific codes are available. Therefore, we will eliminate option A, B, and D with the code 20,101 and 20,102 used for wound exploration. So a correct option is option C with the code 38,100, which is used for the total splenectomy, and code 49,000 used for the exploratory laparotomy. Modifier 59 is used to show both procedures are distinct procedures. Excision code 20,150 to 20,251 mainly include biopsy code. The important thing to note here is to how the biopsy is performed, whether it is done through a trocar or needle or an open procedure to obtain a sample of tissue which may be either superficial or from deep tissues, muscle, bone, or vertebral body in order to further analyze a suspected medical condition or infection. A 52-year-old male present with painful bony mass on the thigh. The physician performed an open biopsy on femur to confirm the nature of the lesion. With the patient under anesthesia, the physician makes an incision and carries it down through the muscle to the level of the femur. A piece of bone tissue is removed and sent for examination. The wound is sutured closed and the patient is moved to the recovery area. What is the CPT code for this service? Option A with the code 20,245, option B with the code 20,206, option C with the code 38,221, option D with the code 20,205. In the given scenario, an open biopsy is performed to remove a piece of bone tissue. First, we will eliminate option B with the code 20,206, which is used for the percutaneous needle muscle biopsy, which is used to obtain a sample of muscle tissue to further analyze. We will also eliminate option C with code 38,221, which is used to take one or more sample of bone marrow, which is used for the diagnostic purpose only. We will also eliminate option D with code 20,205, which is used for the muscle biopsy of deep muscle tissue to further analyze a suspected medical condition or infection. Our correct option is option A with the code 20,245, which is used for the open bone biopsy, which is used to obtain a bone sample, typically from a lesion, to further analyze a suspected medical condition or infection. Thank you for watching. If you have any question or need further clarification, please feel free to write in the comment section. For more detailed guidelines, CPC mock exam related questions and notes, email me at the giving email ID.